How to watch Super Bowl on Hulu. Super Bowl is right around the corner. Enjoy the game and halftime show on Hulu Live TV. So what do you need to watch the Super Bowl on Hulu Live TV? First is a Hulu Live TV subscription, a live TV supported device, and a set home location. If you're not a Hulu Live TV subscriber, sign up or change your current plan to Hulu Live TV ahead of the game to get in on the action. So how do you watch Super Bowl on Hulu Live TV? To access the game, go to the NFL Football Sports Collection or search for the Super Bowl in the app. If you're in the middle of streaming, you can also use the guide to jump right into the broadcast. If you're having issues streaming Hulu Live TV due to a home location error, here are a few things you can keep in mind. Hulu Live TV requires that you set a home location that is a residential non-mobile internet connection. You can change your home location for up to 4 times within 1 year. Any more than that, and you'll need to contact Hulu Live TV Help Center. If you're streaming on a mobile device, you'll need to check into your home network at least once every 30 days. And that is how to watch Super Bowl on Hulu Live TV.